Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bicycle in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bicycle to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is D-Power G23. Specifications: brand name D-Power. Model number G23. Style luxury type. Max speed 25 km per hour. Range per power 60 km. Wattage 200 watts. Power supply lithium battery. Voltage 48 volts. Motor brushless. Folded ES. Wheel size 20 inch. Frame material carbon steel. Number 4 is Same Bike CY20. Specifications: brand name Same Bike. Model number Same Bike CY20. Wattage 200 to 250 watts. Max speed 25 km per hour. Range per power 31 to 60 km. Voltage 36 volts. Wheel size 20 inch. Battery capacity 12 Ah lithium ion. Frame material high carbon steel. As the item number 3, we've selected Hill Miles MileTrail electric mountain bike. Specifications: brand name Hill Miles. Max speed 25 km per hour. Range per power 60 km. Voltage 36 volts. Wheel size 26 inch. Rated power 250 watts. Torque 40 Nm. Frame material high carbon steel. Battery capacity 13 Ah lithium battery. Brake type mechanical disc brakes. Headlight LED front light. Number 2 is Folding e-bike. Specifications: brand name Life. Model number F1L. Style multi-use design. Max speed 25 km per hour. Range per power 60 km. Wattage 200 to 250 watts. Power supply lithium battery. Voltage 48 volts. Motor brushless. Folded ES. Wheel size 14 inches 350 mm. Frame material steel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have MileCity 126-inch electric bike. Specifications: brand name Hill Miles. Model number MileCity 1. Max speed 25 km per hour. Range per power 60 km. Voltage 36 volts. Wheel size 26 inch. Motor 250 watts brushless motor. Max torque 42 Nm. Battery 13 Ah lithium ion battery. Charging time about 4 to 5 hours. Brake 160 mm disc mechanical brakes. Transmission system 7 gears. Display LED display. Tires 26 by 1.95 tires. Material high carbon steel. Color blue, gray, green.